I was very happy with them. They turned up on time. The original gentleman was very nice, the one that made the contract with me. And then they turned up on time, and they did it really fast. I was amazed how fast they were in and out and didn't leave any mess. There was a problem with the screen in this room, and they came back within a few days and replaced the screen because it had gotten broken while they were bringing it here. So, and then they called to see if everything was okay, and I was happy with everything. They spent a lot of time communicating with me, making sure that I was happy with what was going on all the time. That I was grateful for, yeah. Oh, I loved them very much, yeah, because especially when the hurricane came the first time, I didn't have to find somebody, because I'm 74 years of age and I can't climb up and put those nails in the wood, and those windows, and I didn't have to do it this time. So I was really grateful that I managed to have them done. And it wasn't as expensive as I thought it was going to be. Everyone's saying, oh, that's a lot of money, but it's really worth it.